Good morning, class 3. Today we are reading chapter number 12, Air, Water and Weather. Till now we have read about the water cycle in this chapter and the composition of air, that what does air contain. So next, come to page number 121 of your book. So next is, let's remember on this page. See what it is. Page number 121. Let's remember, circle the odd one out in each of the following. So there are some options given. We have to circle the odd one out from it. See, the first one is lake, pond, sea and air. So which is odd one out? Lake, pond and sea all are water sources. From all these three things we get water, but air is different from it. So it is odd one out. Circle air. Next, ice, water, air, water vapor. Ice, water and water vapor are the three forms of water, but air, it is odd one out. So we'll circle air over here. Air. Next, wind, breeze, storm and winter. So these are the three forms of wind or air, you can say. Winter is odd one out. Circle winter. Next, write T for the true and F for the false statements. First is, water is present in the air as ice. First is false. Germs stick to our body when we go out. That is correct. Because germs, they are present in the air. So when we go out, they stick to our body. That is true. T. The heat of the sun cools the water in the lakes and the rivers. It is false. Because the heat of the sun, it doesn't cool the water, it warms the water. वो गर्म करती है पानी को, ना कि ठंडा. First false, second true, and third one again false. Now our next topic is weather. Page number 121, weather. The general conditions of air around us is called weather. Changes in weather are caused by the sun, wind and water vapor in the air. Now what is the general conditions of the air? जो भी conditions का air, whether air is cool, whether it is hot, जो भी उसकी conditions होंगी, that is called weather. अगर cool है हवा, तो we can say that it is a cold weather. If the air that is blowing, it is hot, then we can say it is a hot weather. So the general conditions of the air, that is called weather. Changes in the weather are caused by the sun. Sun causes changes in the weather. Wind causes changes in the weather, and water vapor in the air, they cause changes in the weather. Too much hotness of the sun, it means summer season or summer weather, it is there. If wind is blowing, then cold will be there. And water vapor in the air, water vapor, it causes moisture, उसकी वजह से moisture होता है, and due to the moisture, it is cold weather. So all these conditions, they decide what type of weather it is. Next is sunny days. Sunny days are usually hot. Afternoon is the hottest time of the day. Mornings and evenings are cooler. What are sunny days? Sunny days means when there is too much of heat of the sun. That is a sunny day. Sunny days, they are usually hot. We know if it is a sunny day, it means it is a hot day. Afternoon is the hottest time of the day in the sunny day. आफ्टरनून की टाइम जो होती है सबसे ज्यादा गर्मी होती है, बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम द सन इज एट द टॉप ऑफ आवर हेड. मॉर्निंग्स एंड इवनिंग्स आर कूलर. आफ्टरनून में ज्यादा गर्मी होगी सनी डे में, एंड mornings and evenings they will be cooler as compared to the afternoon. Next, windy and cloudy days. Now, what are windy and cloudy days? Cloudy days means when cloudiness is there. Rain is going to come. That is a cloudiness. Windy means wind blows. Moving air is called wind. When the air is blowing, it is called wind. हवा चल रही होती है, that is called wind. When the wind blows slowly, it is called a breeze. When the wind blows slowly, जब बहुत ज़्यादा slow हवा चलती है, that is called breeze. A term that is used over there is a breeze. Strong winds usually accompanied by lightning, thunder, rain or snow is called a storm. Storms can cause a lot of damage. Slow moving wind is called breeze. जब हवा बहुत slow चल रही होती है उसे बोलते हैं हम breeze. And when the strong winds are there, बहुत ज़्यादा तेज हवा होती है, thundering is there, lightning is there, means बिजली चमकती है या thunderstorm आता है, that is called a storm. The strong wind along with the thunder and lightning is called a storm. उसे बोलते हैं storm. To which in Hindi you call tufan, that is a storm. Storms can cause a lot of damage. We know when storms are there, they cause a lot of damage. तूफान की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज होता है. Many buildings they get destroyed. Other properties also they get destroyed. The sun appears to hide on cloudy days. The sky is full of clouds. It is cooler on windy and cloudy days than on sunny days. Now we are reading about the windy days and cloudy days. During cloudy days, what happens? The sun it disappears. Sun नहीं दिखाई देता because it hides in the clouds. वो clouds में ही छुप जाता है. The sky is full of clouds. Black clouds are there, and it is cooler on windy and cloudy days than on the sunny days. And जब बादल आते हैं, जब cloudy days होते हैं, the days are cooler. The days are more cooler than the sunny days. We know कि उस दिनों में ज़्यादा है ठंड लगती है. Next topic is seasons. Here we read about weather. Now we'll read about seasons. We know there are different types of seasons: summer season, winter season, autumn season, spring season. Seasons. Every few months the weather changes. This change gives rise to different seasons. There are 5 main seasons in India: summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. Summer is the hottest time of the year and winter is the coldest. It rains during monsoon. Now bete, weather change takes place every month. थोड़े एक मंथ के बाद वेदर में चेंज आ ही जाती है. And due to the change in the weather, there are different seasons that takes place. जब जब वेदर में चेंज आता जाता है तो सीजन्स भी चेंज होते जाते हैं. So due to this different weather conditions, there are mostly 5 types of seasons. First type of season, autumn, spring, summer, winter, and the 5th one is monsoon. We know that weather change takes place every month, and due to the change in the weather, there are different seasons that come. So there are mainly 5 types of seasons: autumn, spring, summer, winter and monsoon. Summer, it is the hottest season. सबसे जो गर्मी होती है, that is the summer season. We know. So it is the hottest season of the year, and it is the hottest time of the year, and winter is the coldest. It is hottest summer time of the year. Winter is the coldest time of the year, and during the monsoon what happen? Rain takes place. Monsoon season में rain होती है. So we'll read about these 2 seasons also. The weather is neither hot nor cold in autumn. Often cool wind blows during autumn. Many trees shed their leaves in autumn season. Now, what happens in autumn season? It is neither cold nor hot during this season. ना ज्यादा ठंड होती है ना ही ज्यादा गर्मी होती है during the autumn season. So cold wind blows. ठंडी ठंडी हवा चलती रहती है slowly and slowly. Breeze during the autumn season. And many trees they shed their leaves during this season. जो trees के जो पत्ते गिरते हैं वो autumn season में ही गिरते हैं. And children they fly kites during this season only, that is the autumn season. After autumn comes winter. It is the coldest season of the year. We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm in winter. So winter, it is the coldest time of the year and it comes after autumn. ये autumn के बाद आता है winter. Let me tell you the series of these seasons. First, we read about summer. It is the hottest time of the year. Autumn, during this season, neither too much hotness nor cold. Then comes the winter. It is the coldest time of the year and we wear woolen clothes during this season. After winter comes the spring season and then the monsoon season. Winter is the coldest time. We wear woolen clothes during this season to keep ourselves warm. After winter comes the spring season. The weather is very pleasant in spring. Trees start getting new leaves and flowers bloom. इस सीजन में क्या होता है? Weather is very pleasant. बहुत ही मीठा सा मौसम होता है. And the trees they start getting the new leaves. Trees पे जो पत्ते आने start हो जाते हैं. And the flowers they start blooming. जो flowers हैं वो खिलने start हो जाते हैं. That is during the spring season. Next, monsoon. It is the rainy season and we wear raincoats during this season to keep ourselves dry. Change in season affects the kind of clothes we wear, the kind of food we eat and the activities we do. So बेटे change in seasons, season में जो change आती है उस season के according ही हम कपड़े पहनते हैं, उस season के according ही हम खाना खाते हैं and उस season के according ही हम activities करते हैं. Like in summers, we like to eat ice creams. We wear cotton clothes. In winter, we like hot things like coffee, tea and everything. And we wear woolen clothes. को जो भी खाना है, food that we eat, clothes that we wear and activities we do, that is all according to the change in the seasons. So this is all about the weather and seasons we read over here. Next, let's remember on page number 123. Sorry. Write T for the true and F for the false statements. First, true, false. First question, spring season brings us rain. It is false because monsoon season brings us rain. Strong wind with rain and thunder is called storm. True. Weather does not change for a long period of time. False. Evaporation and condensation are a part of the water cycle. True. They are part of the water cycle. Now, next, answer the following question orally. In what form does water come down from sky at very cold places? We know that when it rains in the cold areas and cold places, when the water it falls from the sky, then it comes in contact with the cold low temperature, then it converts into snow. So answer is snow. So water comes down in the form of snow in the cold places. True, false. First false, second true, third false, fourth true, and the answer of the question is snow. Now come to page number 124. Fill in the blanks. Phillips. Animals breathe in dash present in the air. Animals breathe in oxygen present in the air. The change of water vapor to water is called dash. Condensation. That is the process that occurs during water cycle. In dash places, water drops in the clouds come down as snow in the cold places. Number 4. The condition of air around us is known as weather. Number 5. Many trees shed their leaves in the dash season. Trees, they shed their leaves in the autumn season. First answer, oxygen. Second, condensation. Third, cold. Fourth, weather. And fifth one is autumn. These were fill in the blanks. Next, write T for the true and F for the false statements. Come to true, false. First question. Air contains dust and germs. True. Number 2. Human beings need to breathe in carbon dioxide. This is false because human beings, they need to breathe in oxygen. Not all living things need water. False because all living things, they need water. Sabhi ko chahiye pani. The water cycle brings about rain. True. Number 5. The change of water vapor to water droplets is called evaporation. False. It is called condensation, not evaporation. First one is true, second false, third false, fourth true, and fifth false. These were true, false. Now come to choose the correct options. Next question. Choose the correct option. Number 1. Air does not contain option A, water vapor, option B, oxygen, option C, carbon dioxide, and option D, silver. Answer is silver. It does not contain silver. All three things air contains. Number 2, weather changes due to the sun, clothes, food, or dust. Weather change takes place due to the sun. Number 3, water vapor present in the air results in change in weather, trees shedding leaves, no change, a sunny day. Answer is change in weather. Number 4, which of these is not true about water? We need it for washing and cleaning. All living things need it. It changes its form. None of these. Answer is none of these because all are correct. Number 5. Which of the following changes water into water vapor due to the heat of the sun? Condensation, evaporation, water cycle, none of these. Answer is evaporation, because this is the process that changes water into water vapors during heating. Question number 6. Change in season affects the kinds of clothes we wear, kind of food we eat, activities we do, all of these. All of these are correct. Number 7. Which of the following shows spring season? New leaves and flowers, snowfall, heavy rainfall, hot weather. Answer is new leaves and flowers, because new leaves and flowers, they come during this season. Number 8. Leaves of many trees are shed during spring season, monsoon, autumn or summer. Answer will be autumn. 8th answer is autumn. So let's say check. First answer silver. Second, sun. Third, change in weather. Fourth, none of these. Fifth, evaporation. Sixth, all of these. 7, new leaves and flowers. And 8th, autumn. These were the correct options. Next, match the following. We'll continue in the next lecture. So it's enough for today. Complete it in your books. This is your homework. So next we'll do in the next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.